back to my channel. I'm Daisy. So today I have a little haul for you guys. It's a Pretty in a Minute haul. So basically Pretty in a Minute is a company that sells hot tools and styling tools such as flat irons, curling wands, clippers, and blow dryer. There you go. And by the way, this video is not sponsored, but I just thought it would be cool to share with you guys the tools and stuff like that and what I think about them so far. So, and if you guys are interested in watching any of my other videos, there's going to be a little icon up here, so you guys can just click on it and go watch them. And yeah, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my video or to my channel, subscribe down below, leave comments, likes, dislikes, whatever. And yeah, and if you guys are interested in the video, continue watching. Okay, so we're gonna get right into the video and I'm gonna show you guys the products. Okay, they come in this little black tote bag and it's so cute. I love it, and it's very durable, very strong. And as you can see, it says, I love hashtag beauty, hashtag hot tools, do your thing, style, hair blogger, hair, love hair, passion. Yep. So this is the bag, and I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smallest thing that came in the bundle, which was the press comb. So basically this comb is just gonna make your life easier, because you can, with this section right here, you can part and then clip and then comb it down, and it's supposed to straighten the hair a little bit out as well, so it can help you with like time management. So it's gonna like straighten the hair somewhat, and it's a heat protectant comb as well, so it's resistant to heat, and it's super pretty. It has a Pretty in a Minute logo right here. So yeah, and it's very easy to hold on to as well. So yeah, that's the smallest one, like the smallest product. And then now I'm gonna show you guys the classic black flat iron, which is this one. And all these tools are friendly with any type textured hair, so you can use them on anybody's hair. There's no problem. And the highest they go is 450, because that is the highest temperature you can put on your hair, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll try to take it out real quick to show you guys if I can. And I've already used this one and I love it. It had like the finish on the style is just so silky and smooth. It's so pretty, and it's just like this. It's a black flat iron, and you just turn it on in here in the middle, and then the curls with the flat iron, they're so pretty. And then what I like about these tools is that they have the bottom of it twists, so the cord itself isn't gonna break over time because it's not gonna twist with the tool. Okay, so that is the classic flat iron. Okay. Next one is the 2-inch keratin smooth flat iron. This one as well, it's going to make the flat iron last up to 4 days, I believe. So, and it's gonna do the same effect, honestly, of it's gonna leave a silky smooth finish, and it's gonna go by faster. You're gonna finish faster doing the style as well, because it's a 2-inch, so you can take bigger sections. And this one goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit as well. So yeah, and then these little vents, you're gonna want them to face you, not the person, because it will burn them. But yeah, it's really pretty and it's big And like I said, you'll be able to do hairstyles in no time. Okay. And now we have the last tool, which is the 3-in-1 wand curler. Sorry, those are my dogs, but it's okay. I'll continue. So this is the wand, the 3-in-1. So it basically brings a ½ inch, a ½ inch, a 1 inch, and a 2-inch wand. So this is, this is the ½ inch wand, and it's super skinny, super narrow for the tighter curls. Like you can see over here, they're called baby curls. So just tighter curls. And this is the 1-inch wand, and they are for the beachy loose waves, which is what everybody loves, the cute natural waves. So yeah, that's the 1 inch. Okay, and then moving on to the 2-inch wand. That's for the volume curls and the heavy curls. So yeah, I like the 2-inch one. I like a lot. It just leaves those heavy curls. So yeah, and that's gonna be it. And with these products, I'll just, like here it says, with the flat irons, it has an auto shut off, so they'll shut off after 2 hours, I think. If you leave them on, accidentally leave them on. They're all super lightweight, and they're titanium. They're made of titanium. So yeah, and I really love these products so far. I like them. I'm satisfied with them, and I do recommend. So yeah, and if you guys like the products, like I said, I'll leave the link down below, and you can just click on it and then just go check them out and see, if they work, if you think they'll work out for you guys. And yeah. Okay, so that was my little short video, my little haul. I hope you guys found it interesting, and if you guys would like for me to do a tutorial with the tools, just comment down below, because I would love to. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, like it. If you guys disliked it, dislike it. And like I said, comment down below if you want me to do tutorials with the tools. And subscribe down below if you haven't. And I'll leave all my social medias down below in the box, and we'll leave the link to the website as well for Pretty in a Minute. And I'll see you guys next week.